I remember a few years ago, I was at some friend's house for Thanksgiving, and they brought out this gorgeous looking turkey, and they carved it, and as they went to like separate the drumstick, out came the giblets and the neck. Well, they never knew you were supposed to take them out before you start. So let me show you overall how to prepare a turkey once you get it home. This one has been thawed. It was a frozen turkey. We thawed it for a few days in the refrigerator. Now, we take off the outer plastic, and we put it on a tray because you can see there's all that extra liquid in there. So don't open this up just on the counter, or you're going to get all that juice from the turkey all over the place. Make sure you do it on a rim baking sheet, and you go from there. Then you want to untuck the ends of the drumsticks. There's a flap that holds it over. And as you open this up, there's a cavity, and you can pull out the neck. See, there's still a little bit of ice in there. That's fine. That's common. We'll just throw that away. So we can take the neck, and we'll actually put it in a pot of boiling water, and we can use that for the base of our gravy. Then on the other side, there's a little package, like a little surprise, like a box of Cracker Jacks. Let's just open that up for a sec, and we'll throw that away. And there's the liver, and then the giblets. And we're going to take this in the heart. And we take this and we boil this along with our neck. And again, that's great flavor for the gravy. And the same principle is true whether you're cooking a duck, a turkey, a chicken. So keep everything I'm talking about today in mind. This isn't just for turkey, but this is the most common question that we get. Now, this liver can just be baked off, and it's delicious. I just nibble on it, like when no one's around looking, a little salt, pepper. Amazing. It only takes about 20, 25 minutes. Pop it in the oven when you pop your turkey in. Delicious. Okay, I'm going to trim this little flap here with a pair of scissors. You don't even need a knife for this. Great pair of kitchen shears is all you need. Trim, trim. Should have been a doctor. And the rear end. We remove that. When we were young, my brother and I used to fight who ended up eating that when it was roasted. Delicious. Okay, so now we have that done. We're going to rinse it inside and out. I'm going to put this right in with everything else. Again, great flavor. So we're going to take this over. We want to make sure we don't get all that drippings all over the place. And we're going to bring this over to our sink, turn our water on, and we just want to make sure we rinse it both sides and get any of the drippings that was sitting in, any of that leftover blood, I hate to say it, just off of there. Okay. And then we want to make sure we drain it really well. Get rid of all that excess water. Again, both sides. And place it on a fresh cookie sheet or baking sheet. I'll put this aside for a sec. Bring this over here. And again, we can leave the liver on there because we're going to roast this all together. And after that 20 minutes or so, when the liver is done, we just take it out, snack on it, and we're good to go. Now, before we put it in the oven, before we season it, there's a couple things that I like to do so your turkey looks really pretty when it comes out of the oven. Before we tuck the wings under and tie the drumsticks together, we want to dry with a paper towel. This will make it so it's not as slippery. Just get any of that extra moisture there. It also helps the spices stick to it a bit later. Okay, throw that away. Now for the wings. We hold it like this, and we're just going to tuck the tip of the wing underneath the back thigh there. That's going to prevent the tip from actually burning when it's cooking. Because when you're cooking this thing for hours, this little piece is certainly going to burn. Do the same thing to the other side. Just take it and put it underneath. Again, it also makes it so it doesn't rock and roll. It's sort of like a good foundation. Now for the drumsticks, we just take a piece of kitchen twine. We're going to tie this with a regular knot, almost like we're double tying our shoes. Now we're going to crisscross the ends of the drumsticks, and we just wrap the string around it. And then we make a little knot here. Now that we have those tied, we're going to trim off that extra twine, throw that away. And if you're thinking, how come he tied the drumsticks together before stuffing it? I'm not a big fan of stuffing a turkey because I think by the time the temperature of the stuffing actually is at a safe point, the breast dries out. So I like to have the stuffing in a roasting pan, in a casserole dish, and just do it on the side. You can pour a little gravy over it to get the flavor, but not to stuff my bird. That's me personally. And again, you can do whatever you want. So now this is ready to be brined or seasoned. salt, pepper, garlic, whatever your recipe calls for, whatever your family secrets are, and you're all set. It's that easy. One thing I do want to really stress, after you touch a turkey like this, make sure you wash your hands and the counter really well, because you don't want to spread any of that bacteria, any of that cross-contamination. And this way, everybody will be saying, ooh, it's so good.